Sing all spirits, hearken all souls. We gather to offer a clarion call to the spirit world as we seek to open a window for those who still reside here in the Winchester Mansion.
Are you scared?
Welcome to the Winchester Mystery House.
If you like what you're watching, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can see more of our content.
So guys, we're in the Winchester Mystery House. I am not tall by any means. I am 5'4", and you can see I'm right here. Let's go check out the rest of the house.
The Winchester Mystery House is a mansion in San Jose, California. It is a short 35-minute drive from the San Francisco airport.
The Winchester Mystery House was designated a California Registered Historic Landmark and placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1974. Currently, there are 2 tours of the house daily. One is a daily mansion and estate tour, which you get the history behind the mansion. Prices are $42 for ages 13 and up, and children are $5 to $12 or $20. There is also a Walk with the Spirits tour, which explores the paranormal and takes you to the parts of the house never shown before. Inside the store, you can also see a museum which holds costumes that the actors wore in the movie The Winchester. They also show other items the company made after World War I. The Winchester Repeating Arms Company has been a prominent American manufacturer of repeating firearms and ammunition. The company was established in 1866 by Oliver Winchester. When Oliver died on December 10th of 1880, his ownership in the company passed on to his son, William Wirt Winchester, who passed away from tuberculosis in March of the following year. And William's wife, Sarah, pictured here, of the last picture that we have of her, moved to San Jose, California, where she began to build the mansion with her inheritance. The front door, which has seldom ever been used as an entrance or opened, is now being used for the Spirits tour. So and that's the door to nowhere. And just kind of creepy. Like, why? The whole house has an eerie feel, but you definitely feel it walking around some of the areas that have never been before open to the public.
Got scared!
If you're here in the area, I highly recommend you come checking out. What's really interesting about this house is Sarah Winchester's whole family pretty much died. She was told that it was because of all of the people that the Winchester guns had killed that were basically going to come and haunt her. The rumors are that she built this house to keep away from the ghosts, and then she built rooms upon staircases leading to nowhere to get these ghosts from haunting her or her to basically be immortal. Sarah was born in 1839 in New Haven, Connecticut, to a working-class family. During the Civil War, at age 23, she married William Winchester. Sarah was also known to be a tiny lady at 4 feet 10 inches and a very private person. William and Sarah had one daughter named Annie, who died at just 6 weeks old. William passed away at age 43 in 1881 from tuberculosis, leaving the fortune from the gun company to Sarah. After his death, Sarah first moved to San Francisco, but the colder weather bothered her arthritis, so she moved into the Santa Clara Valley and bought 40 acres of land to build a house. According to records, she had a passion for remodeling and that it helped to keep her busy. There are also many conspiracy theories around the remodels and buildings that took place at the Winchester Mansion. Some say she was haunted by spirits who died at the hands of the Winchester rifles. Others say a medium told her to build a home that would appease and trap ghosts that followed her.
is our energy formed within this circle of love and light. It is important not to let go of the table, as this may upset the delicate cord that attaches us to the ethereal world. Sing, all spirits, hearken, all souls. We gather to offer a clarion call to the spirit world as we seek to open a window for those who still reside here in the Winchester mansion. We welcome any good spirits who are near us to join our circle and be our beacon to the beyond. Let the light from our candle guide you to our circle. I can feel the spirits materializing around us. The veil between our world and the next is very thin. Are there any spirits here that wish to communicate? Draw close so that we may speak. Our friends are making themselves known. We can feel your energy. Gently, give us a sign that you are with us. Come closer. Do not be frightened. Can you join us at our table? Kind spirit, we hear you. Do you have a message for us? I can feel their energy waning. They may have gone for now, but friends, have comfort that death is not the end of our journey or the final separation. We thank you, spirits, for coming to our circle and sharing your guidance with us.
Unless you hear me going like, nah, you go down the stairs or but I am going down now, so she wants to lead the way.
Mommy.
Alright! You guys wanted to close it now. I'm just kidding. So this right here is the biggest of 2 basements underneath the Winchester Mystery House. Around the corner is a boiler. And to heat parts of the house with steam, you had to shovel in coal from the coal chute over there. The rest of the house was heated by fireplaces. We have a total of 47 fireplaces in this building, which made it easier. You could collect all the ash in one place, but that place happened to be a long, creepy hallway in the basement. So that is what we think our wheelbarrow ghost is doing, walking up and down and collecting the ash. The other most commonly reported thing in the basement is a childlike presence. A lot of children of the workers were raised here on the property. Sarah Winchester gave employees that had families houses somewhere on her acreage. So a lot of kids were raised here. Maybe they played hide and seek in the basement, and they still might be around. We had the foreman's sons. That was Carl and Ted Hansen. Carl, Ted, if you're here with us, can you move one of the candies? You can take it if you want. Wait for real. Yeah.
I won't believe it until he takes me.
This is your last chance. Anyone that's here with us, could you please move a couple more lollipops?
So we just finished up on the Winchester Mystery House, and it was the Spirits Tour. We're a little different, I guess, from the other more history-sided tour. If you're here in the area, I highly recommend you come checking out. What's really interesting about this house is Sarah Winchester's whole family pretty much died. But if you want to get a little bit of a tour of the spooky side, I highly recommend you going on the Spirit Tour.
I remember the day these were installed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment below.
How cool is this machine? I'm in the San Francisco airport. It's called Cafe X, and the machine actually makes a coffee for you. You order it on your phone and it just makes it for you. How cool is that?